In this video, we will calculate the frequency of system clock and we will also calculate the value of current control oscillator using PLL. So first of all, the frequency for calculating the system clock is given by system clock equals to PLL multiplier into frequency of crystal oscillator. So this CCLK is basically the CPU clock or system clock. M is the PLL multiplier value and this FOSC is the frequency of crystal oscillator. This formula can also be written as CCLK, that is the frequency of system clock, equals to frequency of current controlled oscillator divided by 2 into PLL divider. So this FCCO is basically frequency of current controlled oscillator and the P is PLL divider. You can set the value of PLL multiplier and PLL divider by setting the MSEL bits and PSEL bits from the PLL config register. Now the frequency of current controlled oscillator is calculated as that frequency of current controlled oscillator equals to system clock into 2 into PLL divider, and it can be also calculated as frequency of current controlled oscillator equals to frequency of crystal oscillator into 2 into PLL multiplier into PLL divider. Now the frequency of crystal oscillator is in the range of 10 megahertz to 25 megahertz. The value of current controlled oscillator is in the range of 156 megahertz to 320 megahertz, and the value of CPU clock is between 10 megahertz to the maximum allowed frequency in the microcontroller, that is Fmax. So you can put all these values in these equations in order to calculate the appropriate or desired frequency.